In this video, you'll learn how to check your earnings on Stan Store. This guide explains how to navigate through your dashboard to find important information regarding your income. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Stan Store login page. Once you arrive at the page, enter your credentials in the designated fields. If prompted, click the login button to access your account. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your Stan Store dashboard. This is the main hub where you can manage various aspects of your store. Look for the income section, which is typically located on the sidebar or in the main menu. Click on Income to proceed. Once you select this option, the page will refresh, displaying your financial information. You should see your total earnings prominently featured at the top of this section. As you scroll down, you will also find details about your latest orders. This includes information such as order numbers and the amounts earned from each transaction. Additionally, any pending payments will be listed, providing insight into what you can expect to receive in the future. Take note of the figures displayed as they reflect your business performance. If you notice any discrepancies or have questions about specific transactions, consider reaching out to Stan Store support for clarification. Always ensure your internet connection is stable while performing these actions to avoid interruptions. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.